All right, Aaron Parker, Parker's Safes and Vaults, Shelbyville, Tennessee. So behind all this OSB in this crate is a Fort Knox in-swing vault door. This is the 8240, which if you bear with us long enough, you'll see it being installed. But I love these doors. They're a very well-designed door, very well thought out in all aspects, including the packaging here, all the way to how it installs. The final result is just a quality door. So here we go. Okay, so here we are at the job site, and we've got that air tow drop deck trailer, which makes it kind of nice. So, and these little carts here just, make getting it into position pretty easy. In this particular instance, we were to back right in. So, and be pretty close to the door, which is rare. Usually we have to shuffle it through the house or something. But so anyway, it's all crated up. We start taking that OSB off, and then the cool thing about how this, leave that bottom plate on and that bottom shipping pallet, and then you can just pick it up. The fulcrum point is in exactly the right spot. So even though this door weighs 1,300 pounds, a few guys can just stand it right up, and it's fairly easy. It's very well thought out, and like I say, all aspects of the design. So here's my oldest son Nathan, just kind of jockeying this thing into place. And then we still have to take that. So on the inside, there's 3 panels. So here's my youngest son, Morgan, taking these panels off. So these legs will come off, and then there's a header piece that comes off. And you put all that stuff inside the vault room, and then put the door into place and put those pieces back together. So it makes it pretty easy.
You might want to keep it first. Alright, can you start her?
Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Okay, so we're pretty much done here. A little bit of cleanup, but basically this top header piece has been mounted, and then these 2 legs on each side with these little Allen wrench draw bolts, and they just seated up nice and tight. And then some cool features about this door is that they have this little Allen bolt here, and it goes in and touches one of these locking bolts, so it doesn't touch it. But anyway, when you can adjust the in and out sloppiness of the door, so to speak. So if it's moving a lot, you just push this in, and then that bolt rides across the front of that. This is your emergency egress, so this is just Velcroed on. So if you're in here, of course the instructions are all right there, but you just pull this away. It's just Velcroed onto this fabric. And then you just reach in here and squeeze these this red lever, and then it just pulls everything open, and you're free. But some cool things about this, I mean, it has 4 hinges. And yeah, it just swings real nice. Scoop out here. 5-spoke handle here. All right, so the final thing to do is to put this nice side pull handle on, and coincidentally that uses the same size Allen wrench as you would put the everything else on for the install. So you need 1 Allen wrench, which is rare. Most engineers would make you have 5 or 6. But here's the finished product: the Fort Knox vault door, in-swing model 8240, black nickel hardware, granite finish. If you're in the market for a quality safe or vault door like this, just give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Hey, I appreciate you. Oh yeah, gear drive. Did you see that? I love that. It's just it's so smooth. These guys really do a nice job on their products. Really nice stuff.